Oh, buddy, we're gonna do some South in your mouth today. We're gonna do a Cheerwine burger on the Blackstone griddle. Boys and girls, it's gonna be some good groceries. Hey, let's get started. I wanted a recipe that implemented Cheerwine, one of my most favorite drinks in the world. Headquarters in Salisbury, North Carolina, and one of my most favorite drinks. I like the Cheerwine Zero, but they also make this Cheerwine syrup. Good for cooking, good for all this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna try to use this as much as possible in our burger. So let's get started. But I do have a guest. Y'all, some people probably hadn't seen her in a while, but here she is. My beautiful daughter, Maryn. Mare Bear, okay, hungry daughter. She's got several names. So she's gonna help me do this burger. She was very ecstatic to know that we were gonna do this Cheerwine burger, right? Say hey to everybody.
Hi.
She says hi, everybody. Well, Mare, you're gonna help me with a few things. Number one, let's get some gloves on.
Okay.
And I want you can work right here. I am going to get some onions ready. I'm thinking a nice caramelized onion with Cheerwine. What do you think? But this is no regular onion. What kind of onions are these, Mare?
Onions?
No, these are special onions. These are Southern Vidalia onions from Vidalia, Georgia. They're very sweet. They're very good. Make the best onion rings. And you know what they're gonna do today? They're gonna make the best caramelized onions for our Cheerwine burger. So I am going to process these. You got your gloves on? Yeah. All right. What we're gonna do first, put maybe about a capful, 2 capfuls in there. While she's doing that, I'm gonna slice these onions. I gotta get this jacket off this sucker first, making this a family affair today.
Wait, in the small bowl?
In this one,
okay.
Yeah. Just gonna put it right there. Ooh, that's gonna be it's gonna be nice and red. So we're going 2 capfuls and we're gonna mix that up here in a minute. But before you do that, I want you to add a little bit of, you know what? You know what we add?
Heifer dust.
Heifer dust. I'm gonna need you to speak up.
Heifer dust.
Heifer dust. Asked for by name, award winning. Okay, where can people get heifer dust now? Amazon.
Oh yeah.
Get that Prime delivery, okay?
It's not sealed up.
There you go. Just sprinkle a little bit in there. There you go. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, girl. All right, our onion. You got to slice this way. And this is the way I like to turn it. For the root side, top side, I like to turn it this way. And slice it real thin. All right, you're gonna mix that up, babe. We don't wanna mix it real hard, okay? We just want it kind of, not real tight like a meatloaf. A meatloaf, you mix it like crazy, okay? So what do you think? You see some heifer dust? I don't see much Cheerwine. Maybe add another cap of Cheerwine. I'll slice another onion. Everybody asked about this knife. You can see this knife, I've got it down below. There's a link. Sucker stupid sharp. Watch your piggies whenever you use it. All right, so we got our onions made. Mare has gotten our ground beef, got it seasoned up really well. We need to get those into patties, Mare. Okay. All right, let's set those right here. Let's take your mold. Mm-hmm. Let's see if we can get 4 patties. Okay. So this is just some wax paper. So put your mold down. There you go. Put that in there. We're looking for about 1/3 of a pound, maybe even 6 ounces. Put you some more in there. We're gonna make them hefty. But I'm gonna get some bacon down. I thought just some old regular bacon. This is my favorite right here, is Curtis brand. And I'm gonna get it onto the griddle to start rendering off, all right? One little trick, this is a trick. Old Hussey's gonna teach you. You can roll your bacon. Sometimes the bacon don't wanna come off when it's in there like that. It just don't wanna come out of there, all right? This right here, see how that's kind of, look, just comes right off. And now, I'll come right over here. I wanna put it right in the center, y'all. That's where we're gonna be cooking mostly. We're gonna cook the burger patties, and eventually we're gonna cook the onions there too. We want a little bit of fat first. So our bacon has been on here for just a little while. Just gonna slide it over. It's already rendered some nice fat, perfect for our onions. All right, we got got some nice oil right here. Oil. Mare Bear has got the patties ready. She even made one for Maggie girl. Ain't that something? I'm going to turn the burners up a little bit. And as you can see, you can kind of see where my burners are, I think. So we're hovering about a medium medium temperature here. I love having that right there. All right. We'll flip our bacon up. Man. All right, Mary, I think our onions need to be seasoned a little bit.
Okay.
This is what we season our onions up with here at the Hussey house. Heifer dust. There we go. All right, let's mix that up. Our burners, y'all, I got low, low, medium, low, medium, low over there, okay? And over here is kind of running kind of high, but you can see they're all relatively the same. Now we're not a big crispy bacon fan. We like a little chew to it. We don't want it like dust, you know?
Oh no.
So we want it, you know, like on a scale of 0 to 10.
I like it 6.
I like about a 5, 6. Yeah, a little chew to it, a little bit of crisp here and there. So this is how we're gonna make our bacon. This right here is about good for us. Look at that right there.
Yeah.
And guess what we're gonna do? All that bacon grease, we're gonna put it right there. This is what I like to talk about, y'all. Using your zones. This is kind of a cool zone over here. Get over there. This is your cool zone, all right? We're gonna put it up there. It's gonna continue cooking a little bit, just barely. If you have to, cut it off, cut the burner off. You don't have to have it on. We're gonna cut it off, actually. So the bacon's just gonna ride over here until we need it. All right, so caramelized onions, it takes a while. It's a labor of love. So we're just gonna keep tossing these in this bacon grease and until they get a nice, silky, smooth, caramelized onion. Now we need some lubrication for our buns. That sounded weird, but we need some mayonnaise. But we're not just gonna put regular mayonnaise on it. We're gonna make an aioli. So let's get a little bit of dukes. Get you some dukes. We got a garlic clove. All right.
How much?
I don't know, just put a nice little hefty. Yeah, a little bit. That's enough mayonnaise.
Okay.
All right, now take your garlic clove and we're just gonna zest that right in there, Mary. Bear down on it real good. Let's add a little bit of, a little seasoning. What do you think? What are you gonna add to it?
Pepper dust.
Oh yeah, it's just a dash. Now, what kind of burger are we making?
Cheerwine.
Cheerwine burger. So what we're gonna do? Add a little cheerwine syrup in there. There we go. Let's see what that does.
Just stir it with this.
Stir it with that, yep.
It's gonna be like pink.
So it's no different than like, you know, like a hot sauce, mayonnaise, you know?
I'm not trying it.
Like a spicy. Just add a little bit more. A little bit of sriracha would probably work really good too. What we did, put the burgers down. We seasoned them with heifer dust. Put them on, slid those onions over here, season the other side. All right, so let's get the onions. Let's do a little something with the onions. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. We're gonna make Cheerwine onions.
Oh.
Woo-hoo. Chicka, 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 woo-hoo. All right, to make this a straight up Cheerwine burger, Mare,
Yeah.
you get your spatulas.
Okay.
We're gonna add a little bit of this syrup right onto those bad boys right there. Now this is gonna be sweet. This is kind of like the syrup before the carbonation, okay? So you kind of see it kind of red, and it's kind of, you can see the sugar is kind of caramelizing. A little apple cider vinegar, that's gonna cut that sweetness. Gonna give it a little tang. I think it's gonna be a pretty dang good burger. Now let's take your other spatula. Now let's flip our burgers. There you go. Woo, boy, look at that. Nice little crust. Yeah. Let's bring our heat down just a little bit. I can see that those sugars kind of caramelize. That's gonna be good flavor. There ain't nothing wrong with this at all. There you go. Oh yeah. I mean, let's ask a poll. Let's see what people want to do. Okay. How do you like your burgers? Are you a cook it well done? That thing better not have no pink in it. Are you a little bit of pink? Are you medium? Some people is medium rare, and probably some people just want a dang raw burger on their bun. Not me, y'all. And to be honest, I'm about a medium to medium well. Okay, a little bit of pink's fine with me. When it's really, really pink in the middle, starts getting the texture's weird, y'all.
Too chewy.
It's weird. Let me know down below, what is your favorite way of eating a burger? All right, Mary's over here getting cheese on Maggie's burger. These burgers, they're pretty much done. We flip them every once in a while just to make sure they're not burning on one side. We're gonna toast our buns. I'm gonna toast the buns kind of over here. Get those a little toasty, a little bit warm, make them soft, make them pliable. Now, it's time to, let's build these burgers. So this is how we're gonna build them. We're gonna take some of our onions right there.
Wow.
I'll take some of our onions right there. All right, we're gonna build 2. Now,
Cheese.
what kind of cheese we got? We got some Havarti. Cause y'all, Havarti, it likes to party. Put that Havarti right there.
It's already melting.
It does, it likes to melt. It's a very good melting cheese. It's getting a little bit hot out here today too. So that's kind of helping things. I get tired of people saying American cheese. They don't like me using American cheese. So 1 whole slice of bacon, or two whole slices of bacon.
Yeah.
Woo, there we go. And we're just gonna let those kind of go. Let's see where our buns, woo, yeah, nice and toasted. Let's put those over there. All right, Mary, I want you to spread some aioli onto our buns.
Bottom and top?
Bottom and top, yes, ma'am. All right, look at that, Mary. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah, baby. All right, let's put the top on. There we go. Yeah, don't squish it too much. All right, let's give it a cut. All right, Mary. What are we gonna do now? Let's give this a try. Oh, but first, we crack open a nice one. Oh, yeah. Well, Cheerwine Zero. Ah, cheers. All right, let's give it a try.
2.
Ready? That's a good burger. It doesn't taste, it's got a sweetness to it. It's got a tang to it. You get a little tang? The onions are nice and sweet, caramelized. That bacon, that smoky bacon. Woohoo, boy, that's a good one. That cheese is nice and creamy, that Havarti cheese. That's probably my 2nd favorite cheese. I like American cheese on my burger. White or yellow. Havarti melts really nice. It's really, really good. You haven't said anything, Mary.
10 stars.
10 stars. There we go, y'all. I appreciate you watching this episode. It was good having my little helper on the scene today. I'll tell you that much. She was a big help. We had a lot of fun. She loves Cheerwine. I love Cheerwine. So I thought, let's integrate it into a little recipe. Hey, we appreciate you. I'm sure there's gonna be some behind the scenes and some bloopers after this. Hey, we love you. We want the Andersons to be jealous.
Who's the Andersons?
Huh?
Who's the Andersons?
You know who the Andersons are.
No, I don't.
Andersons. We want them Andersons to be jealous. That's right, Jeff. So this is how we're gonna make our bacon. If you're in the comments trash talking us, we don't care. We don't care, okay? The Andersons, they probably like it about a 10. They want bacon dust. That's right, Jeff. Look at old Maggie, look. She's like, where's my burger? Where's my burger? Maggie,
No.
are you ready for your Cheerwine burger? All right, give it to her. You gotta be easy.
Easy. Easy.
Good girl. Maggie, how do you think about the Cheerwine burger? How many licks? 1, 2.
3.
I think she had a couple before. What do you think, Maggie girl? You want another one, don't you?
We have no more.
Huh? There's no more. There's no more. I'm so sorry. You did a good job, girl.